terrible times like this, people who have no faith simply fall apart.
Dans moment de charger ça, dans moment de difficulté ça, yon monde qui va gagner la foi, son monde qui glacé en deux.
L'évangile jeudi a demandé nous pour nous attentifs. Pour chasser
In the aftermath of this terrible tragedy, we're anticipating many orphan children and other children that will be brought to South Florida. The school board has already put into place an emergency plan to deal with these refugees that will come to us.
I'm scared for Haiti. My sister, brother died. I'm crying. What I know, stop. I'm not stop crying for Haiti.
My mom, and 2 sisters, and I have my wife family. I don't hear nothing from them. Since then, I try to call them, and I try to, text them. I cannot have no answer. So since that day, I don't know where they are. So even my daughter, I was talking to her the first day, but since then, I will try to reach her. I cannot reach her anymore.